Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, Facebook people and YouTube people. Here to Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement in, well, I was going to say sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia, but not too sunny right now, but at least the rain has stopped for the moment. See? There we are. At any rate, some of you might remember this car. It's been about a month ago. I did deep, deep, deep paint correction and enhancement on this vehicle for a young man. I think he's in high school. This car is a daily driver, but it is garage kept, so that's a good thing. And I finished off with the Optimum Clear Coat Restorer. Hey, a couple people watching, but if not telling me who they are. Like I said, I did this car about a month ago, you guys. Y'all may remember it if you were watching back then or have watched the videos on my YouTube channel. And I did deep paint correction on this thing and put the Optimum Clear Coat Restorer on it and topped that off with the Armor titanium infused SiO2 sealant. And now he's decided he wants a ceramic coating on it, which is okay. He'll be very happy with that, I think. So him and his dad dropped it off late yesterday evening. Of course, it was wet from the rain. He had to drive it over here in the rain. So I took my blower, dried all the rainwater off of it. Hey, Mr. Robert. And so I'm about to get started on it. I was just re-examining the vehicle. But I think mostly, since it's only been a month and he has washed it several times with the proper soap and method as I explained to him with that clear coat restorer and the armor on there. Mostly it looks just like surface contaminants on the vehicle, you know, from having to drive it in the rain. So I was formulating my plan because he's decided he wants a ceramic coating on here, John. So I was just formulating the plan this morning, and there's a spot right down there. I don't know if you can see that spot right there. It looks like maybe, I remember that spot when I did this car the first time a month ago, but I think maybe I might have missed that spot somehow when I put the clear coat restorer on it. So what I'm going to do is buff that part real good, you know, rough it up just a little bit, just that one little spot right there with probably some light compound and a medium pad, and then I'm going to reapply clear coat restore to that section right there and see if that clears that up. But I think what I'm going to do is just do a maintenance wash on it. Probably I'm going to use the ONR, the Optimum, I can't talk this morning, no rinse on it. Since it's not really that dirty, it's just surface film on it. I don't know. I may pull it out and blast it with the power washer first. I just haven't really decided yet. Just to remove the surface contaminants from it, and then I'll re-examine it to see what's left. I doubt if there's going to be much because, like I say, about a month ago, it was strip washed, it was decontaminated, it was clay barred, all that stuff. And a lot of the whole car was wet sanded and compounded and buffed and blah, all that stuff. And then I put that clear coat restore on there, which rejuvenated it a lot, if you recall any of those videos, John, on this car. I'll clean up his wheels and tires for him again a little bit. And then I think what I'm going to do is just take my DA long throw polisher. It's right there. Max Shine's 15 millimeter, I believe. And I'll just do a quick rebuff of it, because I've got to remove that Armor SiO2 sealant that's on there now, that I put on there over the top of the Clear Coat Restorer, before I can put the DPC Shield ceramic coating on it. And probably we'll put 2 coats of that on there for him. And it should turn out very nice and give him lots of additional protection over this cheap Mako paint job. It'd probably improve the gloss and luster a good bit and make it easier for him to maintain and keep clean, since it is a daily driver, even though it is garage kept. That helps a lot, folks. It helps a lot. It really does. To keep it out of the elements as much as you possibly can. Most of you know that. It's just common sense. So I'm going to get ready to get started here. John and anybody else that's watching, please give me a like or a thumbs up or whatever it is you give me on Facebook Live, and make a comment down there if you have any questions, observations, suggestions, criticisms, whatever it is. Let me know where you're watching from. I'm always curious to see that. But I'm going to get off of here now and get started on this little jewel. All right, folks. I'll talk to y'all later, and thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you that watches me.